Without wasting time, we will dive into continuing from where we stopped in part 38. This is part 39 of our expo questions, expected questions on use of English for JAMB examination. Choose the option that best completes the sentence. Any question I give you, pay attention to it, especially now that your exam is closed. Choose the option that best completes the sentence. He did not attend the final burial dash. A. Right. B. Right. C. Right. D. Right. Now, I want you to tell me what you think is the answer. This is just simple. This is a test. Tell me what you think is the answer to this question. He did not attend the final burial. Right. Is it A, right? Is it B, right? Is it C, right? Is it D, right? This is very simple. Tell me the answer in the comment section now.